Hello everyone, welcome back to Vegan Life in Trivandrum. If you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates of all the new videos on this channel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you really like the video and do share videos with your friends and family. In this video, I am going to share recipes of 3 vegan smoothies. Yes, you heard it right. They are made without any animal milk and hence they are vegan. When you think of having ice cream or milkshake, just give these smoothies a try. They can be readily made with all the local fruits and vegetables available in your nearby grocery store. They are very easy and anyone can make it and they get ready within 5 minutes. So if you have guests visiting you or you have kids coming from school, or if you are really tired after your workout session or whole day's work, then these smoothies can help you boost up your energy and even can surprise your guests and children. So let's move ahead with the recipes. First one is pineapple smoothie. To make pineapple smoothie, you will need 1 cup of chopped pineapple pieces, 1 cup of coconut milk. I am using coconut milk with fibers, that is, I am not straining it. In all my recipes I am using coconut milk with fibers. If you prefer, you can use coconut milk without fibers. You will need half medium banana, 1/4 cup of ice cubes, 2 soaked seedless dates. To make these recipes, all you need to do is put all the ingredients in the mixie jar and grind them till the whole thing gets really smooth. Within no time, your delicious smoothie is ready. This is very good for all the pineapple lovers. Next up is date banana smoothie. Date banana smoothie can be made with 1.5 cups of coconut milk, 3 bananas, 6 seedless dates, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, and you can use dry fruits for topping the smoothie. Again, grind all the ingredients in the mixie jar and make it a smooth paste, and your banana date shake is ready. Last but not the least is spinach apple smoothie. All you need is 1 cup coconut water, 1 cup chopped spinach, 1 cup chopped apple, 1 cup chopped guava, 2 soaked or seedless dates. And for that as well, you need to just add all the ingredients in the mixie jar and grind them to make a smooth paste. Don't add any water because we are going to add coconut water and that will serve as a smoothing agent. Also, you can replace guava with mango, whichever is seasonal, to make this smoothie. So this is a really very healthy, power-packed smoothie. The guests and children will like it. So just give it a try and let me know in the comment section how your guests like it. All these recipes are inspired by Sattvic Movement. I have taken these recipes from Sattvic Movement's food book. So it's now your turn to try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. Also, do let me know what other smoothies do you make and please put it in the comment section. So bye for now. Have a healthy life. See you in the next video. Take care.